Check it.
Got Bojangles today. Got their bird dogs. You get 2 of them. And it's pretty much just a potato bun with pickles, Carolina gold sauce, and their tenders. You already know what I gotta do. Fries up in me. I love how they season their fries. It's not over seasoned to me. It's good. Let's get some more.
Big Ralphie.
They good today. Get some sweet tea. A lot better than last time. Here's another look. Wish they put more sauce in this, but oh well. Let's dive in. I think some sauce was at the bottom. Damn it. That was okay. I give it about a 5. I like the sweetness of the Carolina gold sauce on it. In my opinion, with that sweetness, you don't really need the pickles on there, but the pickles kind of take the taste away from the chicken. The chicken really had no flavor on it to me. What I really tasted was the gold sauce on it, but it's just average. I mean, 2 for $5, you can't go wrong. So, I mean, if you like tenders in a bun, whatever, but it's just average, nothing special. So yeah, go check that out for yourself. Again, keep hitting that like button, keep hitting that subscribe button, and that follow button. I'll see you next time.